As before, first let's get rid of this word article here, add some white space, and an extra tab. Each of the articles I'm going to start off with an H3 tag. Inside of this one, I'm going to write my interests. On a new line, let's make a paragraph tag. Now I'll grab the first sentence from here. Copy and paste. Let's repeat the first few steps again in the next article by deleting the word article, making an H3 tag, and writing inside of this one, my hobbies. Instead of making a paragraph here, let's make it a list of our hobbies. So to make a list which will have bullet points, we need to have a tag for a list. The name of this tag is UL, which stands for unordered list. On our new line, we'll close the tag, and now we need content to go into the list. Each of our hobbies is going to have its own bullet point. Each bullet point is considered to be a list item, and the tag for list item is LI. So let's make the opening and closing LI tags. And I'm actually going to have 4 list items, so let's copy and paste this 4 times. And inside of each LI, let's add a hobby. So, teaching, web dev, by, doing. For the final article, let's add some contact information so a potential customer can contact you. We're going to start again the same way with an H3 tag. Now inside of the tag, let's write contact me. Make a paragraph tag. And inside, put a phone number. This is just a fake phone number here. And another paragraph. And this is my real email address. It's learnwebdevbydoing@gmail.com. And please feel free to email me at this address at any time with questions or comments on the course or for information on future courses. I'm going to have a lot of courses coming out regularly. And the funny thing about web development is that as you watch these videos, you're going to notice that all you want to do is learn more and more. The footer we're just going to leave for now. We can add content to that later. Let's save the document, open the browser, and refresh the page. And now the HTML for this document is complete. In the remaining lessons, we're going to start styling this and making it look a little bit nicer than just some plain text.